double boiled, so this is going to be hot. And when the potatoes are hot, everything blends together easily. That's the heavy cream, the sage, butter, the garlic, and the butter. And then over here, we're going to start. As soon as it comes to a boil, I'm going to steam the potatoes. Once the water's boiling, I add the potatoes. You can Google why you should steam them opposed to boiling for mashed potatoes. About 20 minutes later, everything is done. Now I'm going to transfer it into this pot because I don't want to use that aluminum pot. So you do realize if you boil it, the potatoes are going to be wetter than this way. Put the salt, put some pepper, I know you don't like banging, and then add this hot mixture. And the reason why I did it like that, that way the garlic and everything gets a chance for their flavors to go into the heavy cream. And I don't need a masher, all I need is this spoon. Because I like bumps in my mashed potatoes. And the last thing I'm going to add to this is going to be the sour cream. Now if you hate sour cream, increase the heavy cream or add a little milk. I would bang this, but people complain, so I have to scrape it off, okay? Quiet now. And then we're going to taste for the seasoning. Because the salt is the most important thing in there. Oh, that's good. I feel the flavors. And, of course, the scallions. And now, the sour cream. And I will lick this. Thank you. Once again, I'm trying to be quiet because the banging, well, when you're doing this in your own kitchen, you're going to bang it. But I guess listening to that banging sound over the computer could be annoying. And there we have it. And how are we going to serve this? Well, what I like to do is I switch things around in the drawers, now I can't find them. Just to take a large scoop, like so. I can't see the number there. But we'll look at this on a plate, and you'll see that it is a nice portion size, and you can always come back for more. Okay? So the potato, that's not a dinner plate. The potato goes on the plate, that's plenty. And then your protein and then your vegetable. So I hope you enjoy it.